Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a completed beauty room tour. I showed you guys a sneak peek of this room in an earlier vlog I did, and a lot of you wanted to see the completed job. So here is the before. This is how the room looked like when I purchased this house, and here is the after. I absolutely love how it turned out, and I'm just loving this new space. Starting with the number one most asked question is, what is my paint color? And it is from BEHR. It's in very navy and I got it in a matte finish. I did get the highest quality available, which is the Marquee. You can get BEHR paint at Home Depot, and I've included a little picture for you guys to screenshot if you like. Going to start with my desk, which is in the center of the room. This is so that I can put all my lights in front of my desk so that when I'm filming, you guys can see that background that I created. So on my desk, I have this table mirror from IKEA. I've had this forever. Love this mirror for filming. And then my tabletop is also from IKEA, but I put marble contact paper on it to make it look like it was a marble top. But it's a super cheap DIY if you do that. And I also got the marble skin from Unique Find, and that is on my MacBook Pro. I have the tabletop sitting on top of two Alex drawer units from IKEA, and then I also purchased this Eiffel chair from Wayfair. And you don't need to spend a lot on those chairs. I think I spent around $50, but you can get them as low as $40 I've seen. At the front of my desk, I have this retro desk sign, which I picked up at HomeSense. It says, "I am the boss." I thought it was super cute. Initially, I was going to put that in my office, but I thought it looked better down here, so I kept it down here. Moving on to my dresser units. They are from IKEA as well, and I really love these dressers. They are two dressers put together. I still want to put some wood right in the middle there so that it looks like one unit, so I'm just trying to find something that matches. Just opening a few drawers for you guys so you can see. I have this one, just some extra products that I save for giveaways or donation. And then moving on to these drawers, I have a whole drawer just for my face mask, which I love. This is my favorite drawer ever. And then below that, I also have just extra skincare because most of my makeup is put in my Alex units, which you see those white pieces of furniture. This is just all my extra stuff and skincare. Then sitting on top of my dressers, I have a few decor pieces, which I use as my background. I switch them up, and I also bring some stuff down to this room just so I can switch it up periodically so far. And then I have my perfume all in this corner. I love this corner. And I found this perfume tray from Winners, and it was a great find as well. It literally fits everything perfectly, perfect size. For this room, I had a whole theme in mind. I wanted gold metal accents, touches of wood, pops of green, which you'll see in my faux plants that I have. And then I brought over my existing white furniture from my previous house, which really pops with the navy blue walls. Moving on to the other side of my room, These pieces you are probably quite familiar with if you watched my last beauty room tour, because these all were in that tour. So I had these all at my old place, but I will go through them for you guys if you're not familiar. There's one new addition, if you can spot it. It's super random. I know I'm weird. I put this hamster in this hole. We haven't replaced the trim, and there were these big holes in the trim, so I just kind of shoved this little hamster in there. It's supposed to look like a mouse coming out a hole, but yeah, I'm weird. Moving on. Is it bad that I don't even want to replace the trim now? We should come up with a name for my little mouse hamster. If you guys have one, let me know. These are the shadow boxes. I did a whole DIY video on these. I used to collect MAC packaging, and to declutter, I just decided to keep some of my favorites. So this wasn't everything that I had. It was just my absolute favorite packaging. My lipsticks, you can see that I have doubles and triples of certain collections that were my absolute favorite. Eventually, I want to just have one of each different collection, but that's going to still take me quite a while to do. So going over to here, I always have music playing. Like when I was filming this video, I just love having music playing. That's my Beats pill. I've had it for a while. And then I've also had this original Beauty Box Pro for quite some time. You would have seen it in my previous tour as well. Personal preference, I don't typically like to see my makeup. I like it all in drawers so that it's hidden, but I have kept this because it's quite practical for use, and I really like this container for organizing my lip pencils. I haven't found anything that I like better than this, so this is kind of the setup that's staying for now. And then on the other side of my acrylic organizer, I just have my everyday makeup bag. So it is currently down here. Oftentimes I need to go through that for something in a tutorial because most often I'm using a favorite product. But if you guys want to see my everyday bedroom vanity tour, I'd love to take you on a tour of that one as well. So be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you want to see that. I want to take you on tours of everything. And then what I really love about this acrylic organizer, I keep my new products in here that I want to use in a tutorial, whether it's brushes, which I keep on one side, or other newer products, so that I know it's easy for me to grab to try if I'm just doing my makeup for the day, or if I want to use it in a tutorial. It's easy to remember what products that I really wanted to make a point to use in a video. Moving on to these drawers. I swear every YouTuber has these, but they're so practical. They store your makeup amazing, and I don't think I'll ever get rid of them. They're the best thing for me right now. They're from IKEA. They're the Alex 9 drawers, and then I also picked up this 3-drawer organizer from Winners, and that covers another hole that you guys can't see. No hamster there. And this holds all my electronics, wires, cameras, things like that. Keep it organized in there. Through this door is my bathroom, but I'm going to take you through that after this corner. This is where I have just some display pieces that I like. A lot of stuff is priceless, so you won't be able to pick it up anywhere. These things you are able to pick up places. So I got the hanging planter rope from Urban Outfitters and the corner shelf from Walmart. I had 2 of those in my old room, but I only kept one. One is somewhere else in my house. My hanging planter rope, I don't have anything for it quite yet, but if you have any suggestions, let me know. Before, it had a heavy bag hanging on this. That's why it's so secured up there. I just kind of switched it out and made it work for me. I didn't change any of the things that the previous owners had for their gym. I just kind of made that stuff work for me. So this is my first ever PR package from MAC, and I just have it displayed because I love MAC. You can clearly see that. My 100,000 subscribers plaque. Then I have a Himalayan salt lamp, which you can pick up at Winners. They always have them there, and they're typically the best prices that I've personally seen if you're looking to pick one up. Then moving down, I have some books that I just like to keep, makeup books and other random stuff. And then down on the bottom shelf, I have this acrylic organizer that I purchased off eBay. It's for nail polish, and it displays all my kale polish, which I'm now an affiliate for, so I'll leave my code for you guys. But I love my kale polish and love to have them displayed. So that is that corner. And now we're going to go through the bathroom. I'm not going to show you too much. It's not really done. This is pretty much how the previous owners had it. I have my makeup brushes out because Sundays I clean my brushes and I wanted to make it a point to have them out there to know to clean them, which I did. Then over here I do have a sauna, which is really nice that it's part of the beauty room. So I can just walk in here, I have my own space, I can wash my brushes whenever I want, have the sauna, so it kind of just ties in with the beauty theme. So it was a nice little addition. The final wall, you guys would have seen a little peek of it at the beginning. It's a full mirror wall, which is amazing for filming. I can see the entire wall. Was a perfect addition to this studio because this used to be a workout room, but I kept the mirrors because it just worked out so well. And this is how my room looks like with all my lights and equipment set up. And if you want to see a filming setup, I'd be more than happy to do that for you guys as well. Currently playing around with things here and there, but this is my current setup. I have tons of lights because I do have to make sure that I brighten up my background because it is a very dark wall and I'm used to having white. But I've managed so far. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments if you want to see any of those videos I suggested.